Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the Nubis R35 conversion kit on it. I've already got the GT2860R-5 installed, along with the HKS blow-off valve kit. Went nice and simple. So now we're going to install the R35 ignition coil kit. So let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, we've got the valve cover off and the igniter off, so now to start the taking the rest out. Alright guys, so this is the R32 bracket that came off the car, and this is going to be the R35 bracket upgrade on there. So we're about to slap it on there and see how it looks. Also, the kit comes with a really nice harness, so yeah, you can see it, but it's extremely nice. So we're going to slap that on there as well and get it going. So here's the old harness. It's kind of old, and this is the brand new one that we're going to be using. So and we are going to be putting the NJK Iridium spark plugs on there, part number BCPR7EIX. We got 6 of them, so we'll make sure everything's good before we put them in there. Finally, we got the R35 Nubis ignition coils that we're going to be slamming on there. So. Alright, so we got it installed. It actually looks really slick. I was a little disappointed that the actual cover wouldn't fit, but I'm very satisfied with the slick look. It actually looks a lot better in person than what you're seeing now, but it's really slick, looks really nice. I'm very satisfied with it. So yep, it's pretty simple. Alright guys, well, I appreciate you watching. That was the Nubis R35 kit. Really nice and simple and easy. Anybody can do it. So thumbs up. Thank you.